Thanks very much for joining us again. We're here with Sam Meklir. He is with Samuel A. Meklir and Associates. And today we're going to be talking about the whole idea of Fido, the dog bite scenario. And so many people out there have dogs, so many opportunities. You see these dogs out there that are poorly trained. And you know what happens when a dog attacks a person? How is that handled, and how does the law handle something like that?
Well, again, it's very important if a dog should bite you that you be able to identify who owns the dog, where the dog lives, what the dog was doing wherever it was that it bit you. Because oftentimes people are bit because when they're walking down the street, some dog bites them and then runs between houses and disappears. We've had cases like that where we've actually had to send out our investigator and look for the dog and then find the dog and then sue the homeowner. Well, people think about dog bite cases as the only type of injuries that dogs do. The fact is, dogs knock people down. Dogs run into motorcycles. In Michigan, dogs are supposed to be kept on the leash. They are not supposed to be roaming freely. They're not supposed to be running around enjoying themselves and going after motorcyclists or bicyclists, as we've represented, or knocking over people just because they want to come up and jump on you because they're friendly dogs. And then, of course, we have the tragedies where children are bitten, especially with pit bulls and other vicious dogs, where they're bitten, especially in the face, and left totally and permanently scarred. Again, it's very important that you come in and see me because I can get my investigators out. We can find out who owns that dog. Why was that dog out there, and see if we can do something for you after you've been injured. There's no such thing as a small injury from a dog bite. Dogs, when they bite you, it hurts. Not only that, it leaves you with permanent scars, especially if the dog should grab you by the face. And we've had those kinds of cases for women and children, and they're terrible tragedies. And we've also seen people get their legs broken. I had a situation where some poor gentleman was driving his motorcycle looking for an address when some dog attacked him, knocked him into a truck that was parked, and he wound up losing an arm and having a serious brain injury. Those are cases that should be pursued, and the quicker you call me, the faster we can investigate them, and the faster we can determine whether or not you've got a case that we can get you money for. And again, remember, the consultation is free.
Well, thank you very much once again, Sam, for joining us today. We appreciate your time. Sam Meklir has recovered well over $250 million for his injured clients. Sam offers the experience, skill, and toughness you need to defend your rights. He is committed to meeting the needs of each individual client. You can check out Sam Meklir's website at michiganaccidentandyinjurylawyer.com, or you can also call him at 1-888-406-1011. And as he states, do it immediately. The moment something happens, the longer you wait, obviously, the tougher it is to get compensation. Thanks, everyone, for watching.